In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ADA future while talking about Cardano cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Presently, how about we head into it? What is Cardano? Cardano value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and consequently the auction. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-10-14. Plus 5.15% $0 4495 2022 1016 2.48% $0 4169 2022 1018 0.34% $0 4260 2022 1019 0.49% $0 4254 2022 1020 2.62% $0 4163 2022 1021 6.17% 40 cents Cardano value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 NOV. 14.44% $0 3657 2022 DEC 32.91% $0 2868 2023 Jan 19.86% $0 3426 2023 Feb 7.70% $0 3945 2023 Blemish 0.52% $0 4252 2023 April plus 9.69% $0 4689 2023 May plus 17.23% $0 5011 2023 June plus 24.24% $0 5311 2023 Jill plus 27.23% $0 5439 2023 Aug plus 31.60% $0 5625 2023 Sep plus 48.33% $0 6341 2023 Oct plus 51.50% 64 cents ADA value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees ADA coming to $1.09 in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around 99 cents. Cardano value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Cardano will be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees Cardano coming to $2.73 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Cardano coming to $5.45 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Might Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly hazardous financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 26 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.73 or considerably higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and become more expensive? Cardano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $2.73 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing technique, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Cardano go? Our gauging model sees Cardano value detonating and coming to $5.45 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Cardano? Cardano will reach 26 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 37% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around 42 cents. Could Cardano at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a Cardano mogul, be that as it may. 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in Cardano could make you a tycoon. Cardano value forecast today. What will be the cost of Cardano tomorrow? Cardano will drift around 44 cents tomorrow. Is Cardano dead? No, a long way from it. Cardano has one of the biggest crypto networks and improvement groups. It is likewise highlighted on practically all pertinent crypto trades, which implies it has enormous liquidity. This summarized implies Cardano is all well and alive. Because of the ICO madness of 2017, more than 95% of fruitful ICOs and digital currency tasks will fizzle and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of tasks will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will ADA be among those 5%? Difficult to tell, yet likelihood for that is genuinely high, as ADA has constructed a standing of a scholar and serious venture that could move slow, however emanates impressive skill and imparts trust in their hodlers. Charles Hoskinson is the public essence of the undertaking and is by all accounts responsible for all significant parts of the Cardano blockchain, from the code advancement to business exercises, alongside communicating with local area and keeping them in the know. In 2020, ADA needs to make a point not to miss any cutoff times and convey what they vow to hold their spot under the sun of Swarm dApp Stage's specialty. What is Cardano involved for? Cardano is third-era savvy contracts blockchain that has own local token called ADA is utilized to straightforwardly and immediately send and get advanced assets across its organization. What number of Cardano ADA coins are there? The most extreme